Here we go again with another build video. We started by finishing the job that nature started, cracking this slab in half. This gave us a perfect size void to fill with epoxy for our river. We left the river a little bit shallow, as you'll see we'll need in another process. Next we move on to the CNC where we cut our groove to make our 90-degree waterfall. We cut in our dominoes for alignment. A quick dry fit, and we're on to our glue up. As we wanted to avoid a seam, this is the setup that we used to do our waterfall pour. We then poured epoxy over the entire piece, making sure to fill all the grains with black. Here's the result of that seamless joint. The single metal leg fits seamlessly in the groove cut out by the CNC. And that's a wrap. Tell us what you think in the comments.